We are continuing with exercise 20.1. Now let's solve question number 7. If you read the question, you'll understand that there is a paper, thin sheet of paper, and they're saying its dimension is 125 centimeter by 75 centimeter. Now you have to understand this concept. Whenever it is mentioned like this, 125 centimeter by 75, that means length is 125 and your breadth is 75. So first they mention about length, then they mention about breadth. So its length is 125 centimeter and its breadth is 75 centimeter. Now from this paper you have to cut out envelopes, and the size of one envelope, so let's say this is one envelope I am taking out. They are saying size of one envelope, length is 25. So this envelope length is 25 and breadth is 5. The question is how many envelopes you can cut out this way. So what I'll do, obviously, first of all, I'll find area of the paper. So the area of the paper is rectangle length into breadth. That means 125 into 75. Now here I shall not multiply, rather I'll keep it like this only. You will come to know why I am doing this. Let's not multiply, keep it like this. Next I will find area of the envelope, area of rather one envelope. So now if I find area of one envelope, again same L into B, that means now 25 into 5 centimeter square. Let's keep it like this only, let's not multiply. So now how many envelopes will be there? How many envelopes will be there? How will you find? Obviously area of the paper, that is 125 into 75 by area of the one envelope, that is 25 into 5. This was in centimeter square, this is also in centimeter square. Units are cancelled. Also this 25, 125 5 times is 5 and 5 cancelled, so I am left with 75. So my final answer is 75. I hope you have understood why I have not multiplied the area here, because if you keep like this, it will be easier to cancel things over here. Getting my point? So don't multiply, always keep it till the end, because it will help in cancellations. So this was question number 7. Let's solve question number 8 now. So if you read the question, there is a rectangular field which is 60 meter long. Okay, so field is 60 meter long and the breadth is 15 meter less than its length. So breadth is 15 meter less, so your breadth will be 45 meter. Okay, now find the cost of turfing it at the rate of rupees 2.50 per square meter. Now turfing means to make it clean, you can understand like that. So you have to clean this area. So you have to obviously find the area of the field first. So let's find the area of the field first. So area of the field is equal to, if there is a rectangle, so L into B, so 60 into 45. Again let's not multiply and keep it till like this. So now you have to find a cost. So 1 meter square, rather it should be meter not centimeter. So 1 centimeter square, 1 meter square rather, has cost 2.50. So my total cost will be 60 into 45. This is the area, and another 2.50 per square meter. So this is my cost. This is the rupee symbol, I think you know. So now I have to simplify this. 60 into 45, 2.50 is 250 by 100 if I remove the decimal. So this will make things easy. 0 0 0 0 cancelled, and finally if you multiply all this, you will get the final answer as 6750. Alright, now for the second part, again this was the rectangle, length is 60, breadth is 45, not centimeter, meter rather. Okay, so now you have to give boundary. Okay, find the cost of fencing it at the rate of rupees 3 per meter. So you have to fence it out. So you have to give fencing like this. That means you're going to cover the boundary, isn't it? That means if you cover the boundary, you have to find area or perimeter? Perimeter. So I'll find the perimeter of the field. So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So my perimeter is 2 into 60 plus 45. 60 plus 45 is 105 into 2, 210 meters square. So now my cost of fencing 210 into 3 rupees per meter. I have to write a rupees over here, and finally this will be rupees 630. Okay, this is how I'm going to solve question number 8. Now let's go to question number 9. Find the perimeters of the following triangle. This is very simple. I'm going to explain. Suppose question number 2. Let's take the triangle here. So the triangle, this side is 4 centimeter, this side is 6 centimeter, and this side is 7 centimeter. So my perimeter of a triangle means what? Sum of all the sides. So my sides are 4, 6 and 10. So this will then 7, 4, 6 and 7. So 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17 centimeter. Very easy. Sum of all the 3 sides. This is how you are going to solve question number 9. Rest you can try on your own. Now go to the final question, that is question number 10. Two questions are there similar. I shall explain the second part. So there is a figure. The figure goes like this. Okay. So they are saying this much is 18 meter and this much is 2 meter and this length is 12 and this length is 3. Now you have to find the area of the shaded region, this entire portion, that means. Okay. Now think of this figure as two rectangles. How? If I join this line, isn't it? So this is my rectangle 1 and this is my rectangle 2. Okay. So my total area is obviously area of rectangle 1, first rectangle, plus area of rectangle 2, second rectangle. If I add these areas, I'll get a total area. So rectangle 1, if you look at the rectangle 1, length is what? 12, breadth is 3, plus rectangle 2, look at the rectangle 2, what is the length? 18. What is the breadth? Again 2. Then so 12 into 3, 36, 18 into 2, 36, 36 plus 36, 72. What will be the unit? Meter into meter, meter square. In your book, the unit is written as centimeter square, which is obviously wrong. The unit should be meter square only. Then, okay, so all the questions 7, 8, 9, 10 are covered. We have covered entire exercise 20.1. Along with this, the chapter 20 is also over. Next video onwards, we shall start a new chapter.